didn't see you there. So, welcome to the first episode of A Day of a Life with Sam. So, let's go and see what we have on today. So, because I don't have a cameraman, you'll be walking with me. So what we have today is a 2013 Ford Focus to come in for its service, regular service. So we're going to change the oil, air and fuel filter, which I have here from my parts store. So what we're going to do is we'll get the car in, get her on the ramp, and we shall walk around. But first thing, let's go up and turn the lights on, shall we? So we'll just get the car in here and we'll be right back. Okay, so now we have the car in the air, well, on the ramp in the air, and with the engine cover off. So we're going to come and have a look here and see what exactly we're taking off. So we're just at the engine bay. Here's your engine. It's 1.6 diesel. There's your oil. There's your fuel filter. There's your air filter. And then your oil filter's down there. So we're changing the oil and the oil filter. The fuel filter, which is just under this bracket. And we're changing the air filter. So what we'll do is we shall do the hardest one first is the fuel filter, and then we'll change the rest because they're easier, because we do need to turn the engine over a bit to get this to prime again. So let's get all these brackets off and we'll talk to them again. So what you want to do is you want to take this bracket off, so it's just three 8mm, and then that will give us room for the fuel filter. And then there's one here on the side, and you just take that one off too. So, hold on a second, I'm just going to rat this spanner. So yeah, you just take these here off, and then we'll get access to the filter. So, one, two, and three. Always try and keep your bolts somewhere where you know where they are and you don't lose them. So this one is the smallest and these two are the same. So this bracket just lifts up out of the way and we can set it up here. Okay? So now we get to our fuel filter. So we have our lines, electrical connection and intervals. So what we'll do is we'll take off the fuel lines first, and then we'll take off our electrical connections. Okay, we have all the lines off and the electrical connector. So now it's just basically take off these bolts. There's only 3 of them holding it in. They're all 8 mils, so they're not too bad. There's one there. There's one on the back here. If you can see there, one on the back there. And oh, maybe there's only 2. 2 bolts holding it on, and that's it. So I'll give you a shout whenever we've lifted. So we have the filter out and apart. There's the center unit, there's the filter. So this is a new fuel filter. Okay, and it comes with this wee ring. So we're going to set it. Here. And this just basically goes into this groove here. Like so. As you can see, it just goes in this wee groove. A little bit of diesel. Bit of rub. So it goes in. Now next bit, fill the filter full, because you will get caught out.